Okay, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's me again, Sabit Christopher. Today I'm going to take you through the visual guide on data-driven decision-making process. So, in today's digital age, data plays a crucial role in making informed decisions. In this video, we will take you through the step-by-step process on how you leverage data to making better decisions. So let's get started. Now, the first step in the data-driven decision-making process is data collection. This involves gathering data from various sources such as customer interactions, sales data, social media metrics, and relevant third-party data. The more diverse and comprehensive the data is, the better insights you can obtain. So make sure that it is sure, relevant, and complete. The second is data cleaning and preparation. Once you have collected the data, the next step is data cleaning and preparation. This step ensures that the data is accurate, relevant, and complete. It involves removing duplicates, filling in missing values, and standardizing data formats. Additionally, organizing the structures in that data is the way that gives you a conducive environment to have an analysis which should be crucial and effective in your decision making. The third, we have data analysis. So with data cleaned and prepared, it's now the time for data analysis. The step involves using statistical methods, machine learning algorithms, and other data analysis techniques. Then you uncover the pattern trends. Then you get the insights within the data. So by analyzing the data, you can gain the deep understanding of your business and the factors that impact your decision-making process. So it is after you have analyzed the data, then we shall come now to the decision-making and implementation. So, armed with the insights gained from the data analysis, it's time to move to the decision making and implementation. So, the step involved in using data-driven insights to inform your decision-making process. Implement the decisions based on the findings, closely monitor their impact, into your business. So those insights will help you to make a decision that is data-driven. Then it is from there we shall always go now for evaluation, which will involve, obviously you evaluate the decisions taken. So decision making does not end with implementation. It's crucial, it's a continuous process where you have to evaluate and adjust the decisions based on the new data that is coming in. So we don't make a decision and stop from there. So we evaluate the output of the decision. Then as you receive more data coming in, data may change. So more decisions will be taken or changes will be done. So by keeping the pulse of the data and adopting your strategies accordingly, you can ensure that your decisions remain effective and aligned with your business goals. So this strategic is being brought to you by Subtech Online. Then I will also ask you to visit Onyx Data. So Onyx Data understands the importance of data-driven success. They will offer you end-to-end data strategy and execution of services to unlock the full potential and the right data strategy in building your robust data-driven solutions. So make sure that you leave a thumbs up if this data has been helpful to you, and don't forget to give us hit that bell such that you can have the notifications coming through when we post such videos. Then don't forget to hit that red button to subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, we shall meet you in the next video. Bye-bye.